What's up, fellow humans? Today I'll be teaching you one of the most important Qigong exercises. Start in a standard stance, shoulder width apart, raising your arms up to the heavens and exhaling down. At the very bottom, turning your hands around, inhaling up and bringing above you, your gaze following and spreading those arms. Good. So as we inhale, we come up, we cross our arms, and we push out to the sides. Almost like we are sweeping all of that negative energy out of our auric field. If it helps, think of a toroidal energy sphere. The toroidal field that encompasses all things in this universe, kind of shaped like a giant donut. So we're lifting our hands up, inhaling above us and exhaling out. We can look to the left and to the right as we do this, just clearing all of that negative energy. Good. Now when I say negative energy, I don't mean some woo-woo. I'm talking about the stagnant chi in our meridians. We want to shake that stuff up so we can feel nice and healthy. Breathing in through our nose, raising up, crossing our arms, pushing out through our palms, and breathing out. Now don't ever underestimate something by its size. I underestimated a mosquito here and it damn near knocked me over. Anyways, let's get back to our breath. At the end of this, we're just going to take a couple closing breaths, solidifying the chi and refocusing our energy. This last exercise is very common. It's simply called lifting up and pouring down. We'll do this a couple times and take a nice few deep breaths here, centering yourself and focusing your chi. Great. Thanks for watching today. Be sure to catch the next video as we dive into the ready stance or the cat pose.